In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule meeting in Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. This takes you to your mailbox, and from here you'll switch into your calendar. On the left sidebar, click the calendar icon. That switches your view from mail to calendar, where all your events and meetings live. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the right date range. Use the navigation arrows to move between months or weeks so you can clearly see the meeting you want to reschedule. Now, locate the meeting you plan to move. Once you've found it, the fastest way to reschedule is to drag and drop. Click and hold the meeting, then drag it to the new date and release. If you're looking at the month view, dropping it onto a new day sets the new date. If you're in the week or day view, you can also drop it onto a specific time slot to adjust both the date and time in one motion. If the slot is tight, zoom in or switch views for more precision. After you've placed the meeting on the new date, open the event to review the details. Click Edit. This opens the meeting editor, where you can confirm that the date reflects your change. While you're here, glance at the start and end times to ensure they're exactly what you want. If you work across regions, it's a good idea to confirm the time zone as well so attendees see the correct time on their calendars. The editor also shows who's invited, so you can be sure you're notifying the right people. If needed, you can add a brief note in the description explaining why the date changed, which helps reduce confusion for attendees. Once everything looks correct, click Send. This sends an updated meeting invitation to everyone on the attendee list. They'll receive a calendar update with the new date and time, and depending on their settings, they may be prompted to accept the change. You'll see the meeting move on your calendar, and the update will keep everyone aligned, and that's it. You opened Outlook, switched to calendar, found your meeting, dragged it to the new date, double-checked the details, and sent the update. Simple, quick, and reliable. If you found this helpful, keep these steps handy the next time plans shift, and you'll be able to reschedule confidently in just a few clicks.